Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to enable end-to-end encryption on Facebook Messenger. Facebook has been plagued with security issues. They've finally added the new layer of security to their messaging application. Said layer is end-to-end encryption, which means that only the device the message is sent to can decrypt the message. In other words, with this feature enabled, only the people you send messages to can actually read these messages. This prevents third parties from eavesdropping on your communications. However, end-to-end encryption is not enabled by default in Facebook Messenger. Fortunately, it's not hard to enable. Let me show you. You don't enable end-to-end on Facebook Messenger globally. Instead, you enabled it for individual contacts. To start an end-to-end encrypted chat with a contact, open the Facebook Messenger app, tap the profile at the contact for which you can want to switch on end-to-end encryption. And then, in the conversation window, tap their profile icon again. Look for or go to Secret Conversation under More Actions. The window will change to the end-to-end encrypted version of the chat. In that same window, you can also configure those messages to disappear after a set time. To do that, tap the clock icon at the left edge of the text area. In the resulting window, select a time frame for when the message will vanish. Type your message and send as per usual. This message will then be encrypted and only the receiver will be able to read it. Remember, the encrypted conversations will be separate from your non-end-to-end conversations with the same contact. Because of that, make sure you use the right conversation of the right information. Also of note is that this end-to-end conversation do not show up on the web-based version of Facebook, and in the Android notification shade, they appear as secret conversation. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.